My name is Diego Gomez Caña, and for the next 4 days, I'm going to be solo backpacking the Ansel Adams Wilderness in California. Follow along in this 3-part series, and I will bring you with me as I journey through some of the magnificent scenery and beautiful landscapes of California's Eastern Sierra. And so my journey began with a 7-hour drive from San Diego to Silver Lake. Once at Silver Lake, I would begin my hike from the Rush Creek Trailhead, a short 3.5-mile hike to my first destination, Gem Lake.
All right, we made it. Let's do this.
finally made it to our first destination of this trip, Gem Lakes. Gem Lake right here. It's beautiful. Alright, and now it's time to go look for a camping spot somewhere around the lake. We'll see. So I did have to go off trail for a little bit, not too far, and found this area right here. What do you think? Got some pretty nice shade with these trees. Nice little open flat area. Got the lake view. And yeah, the trail goes way back over there, so yeah, people aren't going to be walking nearby, so it's pretty nice and secluded. Anyways, I haven't really seen anybody around here, so it might be just me at this lake today, which is what I want. I would prefer it that way. I came here for the solitude, to get away from people. Alright, so we gotta set up our tent and then have some food because I am starving.